Introducing Energy Sip the Healer, your natural source of sustained energy and holistic healing. This unique formula harnesses the power of Jamaica's most potent herbs to revitalize your body and mind. Energy Sip the Healer offers multiple benefits. First, it provides sustained energy without the jitters of caffeine. Second, it bolsters your immune system, helping you stay healthy. Third, its anti-inflammatory properties aid in recovery and overall wellness. The secret lies in the herbs. Sarsaparilla, known for its cleansing properties, helps detoxify the blood. Ginger, a potent anti-inflammatory, soothes and heals. And moringa, packed with vitamins and minerals, provides essential nutrients. Why choose Energy Sip the Healer? Because it's natural, effective, and holistic. Unlike synthetic energy drinks, it nourishes your body with the Earth's gifts, promoting long-term health and vitality. Ready to experience the difference? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to order your Energy Sip the Healer today. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Unlock your natural energy and embrace the healing power of Jamaica.